before we start this review, I want to let you guys know that this Channel 12 review shirt you guys can now purchase at teesprings.com/stores/Channel 12. Get them now while they last. Hey everyone, Channel 12 here, and welcome back to another food review. Today we are checking out green tea Kit Kat. So a lot of you guys have requested for me to do this, and I finally found it. Green tea Kit Kat. And I got this from Walmart for $1.50, I think. So it's the Kit Kat, but green tea flavor. I've tried multiple Kit Kats. One actually I haven't reviewed is the hazelnut, which I will be reviewing as well, so keep an eye on that. But I thought I would review this one today. It's kind of hard to open. Okay, how's that smell of green tea? Okay, so you see the Kit Kat is green. Smell like green tea, so let's try this. I don't like green tea, so I'm kind of worried about this because I don't really like green tea, but we'll try it for you guys. I can't say that's really bad. It's not bad actually. The milk chocolate kind of covers a little bit of the actual green tea flavor. It actually has a very mild flavor of green tea. I don't really like green tea, but this actually is not bad. So I'm going to try one more, and I'm going to come back and give you my final thoughts. Actual Kit Kat cookie wafer, that's actually pretty good. Here you go, everyone. That was the green tea Kit Kat chocolate bar. It's not as bad as what I was thinking. The green tea definitely was coming through, but it wasn't a very strong flavor of green tea. It just had enough green tea flavor just to say it's green tea, but then you can taste the chocolate on top. The actual Kit Kat is actually one of my favorite types of chocolate bars, so I'm glad that I was able to at least try this. For ratings, I'm going to give this a 3 out of 5 from me to you. It's not the best Kit Kat, but it's still pretty tasty. So definitely, I recommend you guys try this yourselves. If you guys have tried this one already, let me know in the comment section below on what you guys thought about it. And for those who haven't tried this yet, but love green tea, try it, and then come back and let me know what you guys all think. So, hope you guys did enjoy this review. As always, if you guys did, you guys want to see more Kit Kat reviews, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe as always. Don't forget to turn on my post notification on so you never miss a review. All my links to my social media will be in the description, so do follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook for upcoming reviews, vlogs, and of course cooking videos. So until next time, peace out.
Yeah.